Hi, Jamie from FitStrong Personal Training. In strength training, we spend a lot of time trying to master tension in our body to help us do a pressing movement or a squat or a deadlift or even the top of a swing. We're trying to master tension to get the best out of the exercise and to protect ourselves. During most of those activities, we are trying to maintain a very neutral posture in our spine. We're not going into much flexion or extension. But, however, in life we do need to control our bodies and maintain tension while in flexion and extension. There are lots of activities and sports that require that. A fantastic exercise for that is practicing a rolling hollow or a rolling hollow to an arch. I'm not too sure what it's called. It looks like this. It's a nice little challenge. So the hollow is an abdominal exercise. We're mastering tension and a little bit of spinal flexion. With the back stuck on the floor, the legs are out. Some position where you can maintain that flat back, and we're either reaching the hands forward or preferably reaching the arms back, maintaining lots of anterior tension. Here's a challenge: go from this hollow hold into a arched hold, where now we are maintaining tension in our posterior muscles with a little bit of spinal flexion. The challenge is to roll back again without your arms or feet touching the floor. And then the other direction. You might find during this that you're great rolling one direction, but not so hot going the other direction. I've had a little bit of practice, so I think in both directions I'm pretty okay. That's the roll from a hollow to an arched position, a rolling hollow I call it. Give it a go, it's a bit of a challenge. We've got a few wet days here in Brisbane ahead of us, so a perfect time to practice your rolling hollow. Any problems, give me a little message. Good luck.